Good afternoon, students. In the last video we done structure determination of D minus fructose, functional group information, conformation of aldehyde or ketone, and finally configuration of D minus fructose. In this video we are going to discuss cyclic structure of D minus fructose. Cyclic structure of D minus fructose. Cyclic structure of D minus fructose. These are evidences of cyclic structure of D minus fructose are objections to open chain structure of D minus fructose. We have 2 points. First point is D minus fructose solution show mutarotation property. Mutarotation property. And the second one, fructose treated with a methanol in presence of acidic condition result 2 isomers present. 2 isomers takes place. Fructose when treated with a methanol in presence of acidic condition result 2 isomers are possible. 2 isomers takes place. Formation of 2 isomers and mutarotation property. These two conditions suggested D minus fructose have a cyclic structure. D minus fructose have a cyclic structures. But D minus fructose have 2 types of cyclic structures. First one is a 5-member cyclic structure and the second one 6-member cyclic structure. 5-member cyclic structure is known as Furanose ring. 6-member cyclic structure is said to be Pyranose ring. Furanose ring and Pyranose ring. First let's see 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring, that is Furanose. 5-membered cyclic ring, that is known as Furanose. That is known as a Furanose. We know CH2OH, first carbon atom, second carbon atom looks like a C double bond O, and remaining carbon atom CH2OH, 3 asymmetric centers H, OH, H, OH and OH, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In Furanose ring structure, in Furanose cyclic formation, second carbon atom nothing but functional group carbon bind with 5th carbon atom of OH group. 5th carbon atom of OH group. So just that we will represent like ... Result 2 isomers possible. First isomer, top carbon atom nothing but this is COH, second carbon atom, and first carbon atoms looks like a CH2OH. OH is at the right side because of the oxygen bind with a hydrogen, and all carbon atoms looks like a CH2OH. This is the 6th carbon atom, 5th, 4th, 3rd. This is a 3rd, 4th, 5th, first carbon atom. Next 6th carbon atom, hydrogen, OH, H, OH. The 5th carbon atom oxygen gives a bond with 2nd carbon atom. In this ring involved 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 atoms involved in this ring. 5 atoms nothing but 5-membered cyclic ring, that is said to be Furanose. This is alpha D minus fructose, alpha indicating OH group at ring side and nothing but right side. D means penultimate carbon right side, minus indicating levorotatory. This is a fructose. 5-member ring indicating Furanose. furanose. This is alpha D minus fructofuranose. Now let us see beta D minus fructofuranose. In beta D minus fructofuranose, CH2OH group present at a ring side, OH group at left side. This is a second carbon atom, OH group at left side, CH2OH at right side, remaining as it is CH2OH. Second carbon atom, first carbon atom, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, H, OH, fifth carbon atom oxygen bind with second carbon atom. In this structure, OH group is present at a ring outside nothing but left side of chiral center. So that's why let's take a beta D minus fructofuranose. Beta D minus fructofuranose. The formation of alpha D minus and the formation of beta D minus furanose indicating this is involved in 5-membered ring. Let's see Haworth structures of furanose rings. So this is a 5-member ring. We have to write like in Haworth structure. This is a 5-member ring. Oxygen, second carbon atom, this is second carbon atom, third, fourth and fifth. The second carbon atom, OH group present at a ring side nothing but just we should write facing down, OH and CH2OH. This is the first carbon atom. The third carbon atom, hydrogen, ring side, that's why facing down, OH up. Fourth carbon atom, OH facing down, hydrogen up. The fifth carbon atom have hydrogen and CH2OH. Hydrogen always we should write down, CH2OH we should write always top. This is a Haworth structure of alpha D minus furanose. Next let us see beta D minus fructofuranose. Haworth structure same as this 5-membered ring. Second carbon atom. In the second carbon atom, CH2OH we should write facing down because of CH2OH presented ring side. This is the first carbon. And third carbon, hydrogen facing down, OH facing up. Next, the fourth carbon atom, OH facing down and hydrogen facing up. This is a third carbon atom, this is the fourth carbon atom. The fifth carbon atom, always hydrogen facing down and CH2OH facing up. That is also Haworth structure of beta D minus fructofuranose. So this is the information about 5-membered cyclic ring of furanose. Next let us see 6-membered cyclic ring of D minus fructose, 6-membered cyclic ring of D minus fructose, that is said to be pyranose. Now let's see 6-membered cyclic structure of D minus fructose. 6-membered cyclic structure. 6-membered cyclic structure of D minus fructose. In 6-membered cyclic structure, second carbon atom of D minus fructose, bind with 6th carbon atom, that we will represent like CH2OH, first carbon atom, second carbon atom C double bond O, and remaining CH2OH, this is 6th carbon atom, and the 3 asymmetric centers H, OH, and OH. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third, fourth, fifth and 6th. Now second carbon atom bind with 6th carbon atom. Result 2 isomers. First isomer is like this second carbon atom OH group, like then remaining first carbon atom of CH2OH left side of asymmetric center, then remain CH2 like this 6th carbon atom CH2 oxygen of sixth carbon atom bind with second carbon, first carbon, second carbon, and remaining 3 asymmetric centers 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. H, H, OH, H, OH, and OH. In this ring, there are six atoms involved, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and oxygen. 6 atoms involved. So that's why the 6-member cyclic ring is said to be pyranose. Pyranose ring. This is alpha D minus fructopyranose. Alpha D minus fructopyranose. Next, beta form. See, OH group is at left side, CH2 OH is at right side, 1, 2, and 6th carbon atom CH2 oxygen of 6th carbon atom bind with the second carbon, and in between 3 asymmetric centers, hydrogen, OH, H, OH, and OH. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is beta D minus fructopyranose. These two structures are Fischer projections. From Fischer projections we get Haworth structures. So Haworth structure of 6-member ring looks like this. Is the Haworth structure of 6-member ring. Second carbon atom configuration OH facing down, CH2 OH facing up. This is the first carbon atom, because OH group is present at a ring side, in ring, and in third carbon atom hydrogen down, OH up. Fourth carbon atom OH down, hydrogen up. Fifth carbon atom OH down, hydrogen up. Sixth carbon atom have 2 hydrogens. Because of it looks like a CH2. CH2 means two hydrogens. The 2 hydrogens we should write, one is at top and second one is down. This is a Haworth form, Haworth structure. From Haworth 2 we should write chair form of D minus fructose. Alpha D minus fructopyranose, chair form. This is a second carbon atom. The second carbon atom OH group facing down, axial position, and CH2OH equatorial position. Third carbon atom hydrogen down, OH top. Fourth carbon atom OH down, hydrogen like. Fifth carbon atom OH down, and this is like. And sixth carbon atom 2 hydrogens. Next, this is a chair form. Now let's see Haworth form of beta D minus fructose. Same as second carbon atom CH2OH down, OH top, and the third carbon atom hydrogen down, OH top. Fourth carbon atom OH down, hydrogen top. Fifth carbon atom OH and hydrogen. And sixth carbon atom 2 hydrogens. And finally chair form. This is the Haworth form of beta D minus fructopyranose. And now let's see chair form of beta D minus fructopyranose. Second carbon atom CH2OH down, CH2OH and OH. And the third carbon atom HOH. And fourth carbon atom OH and H. Fifth carbon atom OH and H. And sixth carbon atom have 2 hydrogens. This is a chair form of beta D minus fructopyranose. This is 6-member cyclic ring, Fischer projections, Haworth projections, and chair conformations. So this is the information about cyclic structure of D minus fructose. The next class we will discuss glucose formation, enediol formation, enediol arrangement.